Wrapping up and talking about the beginning part of our season, so far it's been an up and down season for us. We opened up with University of Wisconsin Whitewater and played terribly. Give them credit, they're number one in their region and did a great job against us. Manhandled us, we lost 3-0. Wasn't our best day. We rebounded, went down to a tournament, the Sonny Carter tournament in Emory University in Atlanta, Georgia, and had a situation where we played two very strong teams in Emory and Oglethorpe. We lost to them 3-1 and 4-1 respectively, both times scoring first and getting out ahead. So we played a much better weekend. However, the competition was again elevated. So it was a good learning experience being out of region for us. We came back into our region and played regionally strong University of Chicago. They were ranked 5th at the time we played them, and we knocked them down to 10th by beating them 1-0. It was a great victory for us. It was our first victory against University of Chicago in our program's history. The goal was scored by Captain Tom Marlowe, and it was a very good half volley with his left foot coming from about 25 yards out after a corner kick. So very pleased with the way we played against them. We dictated play. We made them play worse and consequently played better, and therefore got the win. Came back against, had our home opener against Washington University, UAA school out of St. Louis, and it was an extremely tough game. We knew that they were even better than Chicago. They were 3rd in the region and 18th in the country. We scored on them first. We brought our game plan to them and made them play our style. It was a 1-0 game going into the final minute, 7 seconds, when they scored on us. Took us to overtime. Typically, in an overtime situation, after giving up a late goal, your team tends to flounder. Our guys showed great resilience and pressed them, had 2 chances I felt could have been goals for us to win the game in overtime and double overtime. Unfortunately, didn't get them, so we tied them 1-1. And then we had this past Saturday, had a game pretty much canceled. We drove down to Principia. Lightning came in after the first half, and we weren't able to get that game in. Hopefully we'll reschedule that. But at this point, we are 1-3-1 on the season, playing very good soccer. I'm very pleased with how our boys are working in practice and training, as well as bringing the ideas that we talk about to the game field.